Imagine flipping a switch inside you that transforms your anxiety into calm in just minutes. What if I told you that switch exists, and it's been with you all along, waiting for you to discover it? Let's dive in together and flip that switch, unlocking the peace that you deserve. Welcome, my name is Jason, and thank you for choosing to spend this time with me. If you're feeling the weight of anxiety, or if worry has been a constant companion lately, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through a meditation designed to ease those feelings and bring you back to a state of calm and balance. We'll start with some simple breathing exercises to help settle your body and mind. Then I'll guide you through a gentle exploration of your current state with no judgment, just observation. We'll use the power of visualization to transport you to a place of peace and tranquility, helping to lessen your anxiety and boost your mood. Let's embark on this journey together, turning today into a stepping stone towards a more peaceful life. Let's start by finding a very comfortable position, whether you're seated or reclined, that feels like a natural extension of comfort for you. With your eyes gently closed, shift your awareness inward. Inhale deeply, feeling your chest and belly rise, and then pause for a moment. Exhale slowly and imagine any tension dissolving with the breath. Continue this pattern of breathing, noticing the air's cool indrawing and its warmer temperature departing. With every breath, allow yourself to delve deeper into a state of relaxation. In this moment of quiet, wonder to yourself, what messages does my anxiety bring to me? There's no pressure to evaluate or dissect these messages. Simply let them drift through your awareness. Let us begin our internal expedition with a focus on the feet, moving mindfully through each part of the body. Visualize breathing in calmness and exhaling any discomfort. From the soles of your feet, moving upwards to your calves, knees, and thighs, imagine each breath as a soothing wave of relaxation washing over you, freeing you from held tensions. Turn your attention to your torso, your arms, feeling a warmth that unwinds every knot of worry, allowing a soft energy to flow through you, liberating every muscle from the weight it bears. Lastly, let this journey of relaxation go up to your neck, face, and head. Each breath smooths away furrows of concern, eases your gaze, and loosens the jaw. Envision yourself completely engulfed in a comforting light from head to toe, immersed in total relaxation. Now, let's venture further into a realm of peace. Picture yourself walking down a serene path leading you to your sanctuary. A lush garden bathed in sunlight, a quiet beach where the waves sing to the shore, or any place for you that symbolizes peace. Here, in your refuge, anxieties are a distant echo. Observe the vibrant colors around you, the soothing sounds of nature, and the gentle caress of the breeze. This sacred space is proof of your innate power to cultivate peace amidst turmoil. In the tranquility of this moment, let's dwell on the power of mindfulness. As thoughts and sensations fleetingly emerge, view them as leaves floating on a gentle stream. They are not for us to hold on to, but to observe as they pass, teaching us the art of detachment and presence. In your sanctuary, notice how every breath enriches the calmness around you. With each inhale, the environment's serenity deepens. With every exhale, any lingering worry disappears. The beauty of this place is a reflection of your inner state, a vibrant landscape where peace dominates. I now invite you to feel the texture of the ground beneath you, whether it's the softness of the grass or the warmth of the sunlit sand. The earth supports the ground beneath you, reinforcing your connection to the present. Look towards the sky, its vastness a canvas painted with your emotions, now serene and clear. The shifting colors at dawn or dusk mirror the transitions within you from anxiety to peace. Listen to the symphony of the sanctuary, the whisper of leaves, the gentle lap of waves, or the soft hum of life around you. Each sound is a note in your personal harmony, resonating with a rhythm of calm breath. The air against your skin, a soothing breeze, embodies peace in tangible form, reminding you that comfort is always within reach. As you bask in this peace, observe how each thought and sensation contributes to your tapestry of tranquility. This practice of mindfulness is your anchor, ensuring that when anxieties attempt to surface, they are met with strength and serene awareness. As our meditation nears its conclusion, reflect on the path that we have walked together, from our initial deep breaths to the vibrant visualization of peace. Every step has been a deliberate movement toward inner calm. This visualization of your personal haven, where tranquility prevails, it's more than an escape. It's a profound reconnection with our most peaceful selves. This meditation marks a significant stride toward mastering your inner world. However, the journey doesn't end here. I encourage you to carry this sanctuary within you, a constant reminder of your capacity to cultivate peace in any moment. You are not alone in this journey. I invite you to share the sanctuary of peace with others, to subscribe and contribute your experiences in the comments below. Your journey could inspire peace in someone else's life. Thank you for joining me in this moment of serenity. Remember, the ability to navigate your inner world with peace is always within you, ready to be accessed at any moment. Until we meet again, continue to breathe with intention, believe in your strength, and embrace the journeys to peace that lie ahead.